Paladine AI is building the bridge for AI to concretely cross into the real physical world by creating intelligent machines capable of operating independently in complex environments. It's hard at work combining AI software, avionics hardware, engineering services, and domestic manufacturing. Its core strategy is to deliver scalable autonomy solutions that can be deployed more quickly and cost-effectively than traditional robotics or defense technologies. Palladyne's appeal is built on being a full-stack system that allows robotic platforms to observe, learn, reason, and act in real-world conditions. Unlike many AI systems that rely heavily on cloud computing or massive training datasets, Palladyne's architecture processes data directly on the device, often referred to as operating on the edge. This approach allows robots to make decisions locally using onboard sensors such as cameras, LiDAR, radar, and acoustic inputs. By interpreting environmental data through probabilistic machine learning models, the system determines appropriate actions in real time. Over time, robots can build libraries of learned tasks and reuse those behaviors when encountering similar situations, reducing the need for constant reprogramming. Because the system uses relatively efficient models with fewer parameters than traditional deep learning approaches, it requires less data and computing power, enabling faster deployment and lower operating costs. One of its main commercial software platforms is Paladine IQ, an autonomy system designed for industrial robots and collaborative robots used in manufacturing and logistics environments. Traditional industrial automation often requires robots to perform highly repetitive tasks with carefully controlled conditions. Paladine IQ is designed to overcome those limitations by enabling robots to learn tasks through demonstrations, teleoperation, or natural language instructions. After a small number of demonstrations, the system generates mathematical models of the task and stores them for future use. Over time, each robot develops a library of capabilities and can switch between tasks without extensive reprogramming. This flexibility allows robots to adapt to variability in real-world industrial settings, making automation feasible in areas such as material handling, manufacturing processes, surface preparation, inspection, and parts sequencing. Palladyne expects the software to generate recurring revenue through licensing while being deployed on existing robotic hardware. Most recently, Palladyne launched Paladine IQ 2.0. The new software introduces a low-code or no-code interface that allows technicians and factory workers to program robots without advanced engineering skills. Because the software can operate with existing robotic hardware, it reduces the cost and complexity of deploying automation systems in factories and logistics facilities. Palladyne also develops autonomy software for unmanned vehicles used in defense and security operations. Its Swarm OS platform enables multiple drones or autonomous systems to operate collaboratively as coordinated teams. The system allows UAVs to share sensor data, distribute tasks, and adapt their behavior during missions with minimal human oversight. Each drone contributes to a shared understanding of the environment through low-bandwidth communication links, allowing swarms to track targets, monitor large areas, or perform coordinated maneuvers. The distributed architecture is designed to remain operational, even if communications degrade or individual drones are lost, which is particularly important in contested environments where GPS or network connectivity may be disrupted. Not too long ago, there was a successful flight test of the IntelliSwarm system, which combined Swarm OS software with the Brain X2 avionics computer. The demonstration showed multiple drones coordinating in real time through decentralized communication networks. The system was tested using Palladyne's Banshee UAV alongside drone platforms from Red Cat, illustrating the platform's ability to coordinate drones from different manufacturers. A related product, Palladyne Pilot, adapts similar autonomy features for commercial and public safety applications, like infrastructure inspection, security monitoring, and industrial surveying. Beyond software, Palladyne also develops avionics hardware and autonomous platforms. Through its subsidiary GuideTech, LLC, Palladyne produces advanced flight computers known as the Brain family. These avionics units integrate flight control systems, AI processing, and multi-sensor perception capabilities into compact modules for UAVs. One version, the Brain X2, is designed to meet U.S. defense procurement requirements and allows drones to perform autonomous coordination, share sensor data, and continue operating in communications-denied environments. Palladyne combines this hardware with its autonomy software in a system called IntelliSwarm, which integrates Swarm OS and the Brain flight computer to enable collaborative drone operations. The system embeds perception, decision-making, and flight control directly on the aircraft, allowing drones from different manufacturers to operate together within decentralized networks. Palladyne is also developing UAV systems designed for precision strike missions and operations in environments where GPS or communications may be unavailable. The platforms reflect a broader trend in defense strategy toward lower-cost, scalable autonomous systems that can be deployed in large numbers. Alongside product development, Palladyne offers aerospace engineering services through GuideTech, helping customers move from conceptual design to flight-ready prototypes. These services cover modeling and simulation, avionics development, embedded software engineering, and system testing. Another component of Palladyne's business model is manufacturing. Through divisions that include Warnke Precision Machining and MKR Fabricators, it provides precision machining, fabrication, and assembly services for aerospace and defense programs. These facilities produce components for major systems such as fighter aircraft, missile platforms, and armored vehicles. The combination of software, engineering, and manufacturing allows Palladyne to operate as a vertically integrated technology provider capable of designing, building, and supporting autonomous systems. This vertically integrated approach became more prominent after the creation of its defense-focused business unit, Palladyne Defense. The division was established following acquisitions valued at approximately $31 million, including GuideTech and manufacturing operations from Crucis companies. The transaction included stock, cash, and assumed debt, along with potential performance-based earn-out payments. The newly acquired businesses brought additional revenue, engineering capabilities, and an existing backlog of defense manufacturing work. Recent contract wins illustrate this strategy. Palladyne secured an agreement with a major U.S. defense prime contractor to deliver a propulsion subsystem for an existing missile program. The project is expected to generate about $1 million in revenue in 2026 and represents its effort to embed its technology into long life-cycle weapons systems. Palladyne was selected for the program based on its manufacturing expertise, performance on prior defense projects, and ability to meet accelerated production schedules. It also received a research contract from the Air Force Research Laboratory to develop multi-domain autonomous coordination technology through a project called Hang Time. The initiative will use Palladyne's Swarm OS platform to connect autonomous systems across space, air, maritime, and land environments. A key component of the program involves integrating satellites into its autonomous networks for the first time, enabling drones, spacecraft, and other systems to share intelligence and coordinate missions. Palladyne believes this capability could allow military operators to make faster decisions and respond more effectively to changing battlefield conditions. Financially, Palladyne reported strong quarterly revenue growth in late 2025, following the acquisitions that expanded its manufacturing and engineering operations. Fourth quarter revenue reached approximately $1.7 million, more than doubling year over year, largely due to contributions from the newly acquired businesses. For the full year, revenue totaled about $5.2 million, while it reported both operating losses related to research and development spending and a GAAP net income influenced by non-cash accounting adjustments. Palladyne ended the year with roughly $47 million in cash and marketable securities, providing funding for continued technology development. Management has projected significant growth for 2026, forecasting revenue between $24 million and $27 million as the company begins recognizing revenue from new contracts and acquisitions. Contracted backlog increased to nearly $18 million early in 2026, reflecting growing demand for the company's autonomy and aerospace technologies. Leadership has emphasized that the combination of AI software, avionics hardware, engineering services, and manufacturing capabilities positions Palladyne to participate in emerging markets for autonomous defense systems, robotics automation, and advanced aerospace platforms. Then, to automate searching in the markets, use TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free, link in the description and pinned comment.